and welcome back to Viet Flavours. Today we're making a classic Vietnamese dish that's bursting with flavor: grilled chicken with lemongrass. This recipe results in incredibly tender and flavorful chicken, perfect for a summer barbecue or a delicious weeknight dinner. It pairs wonderfully with either rice or vermicelli noodles. Let's get started. First, we'll need 900 grams of chicken. Make sure it's skinless, deboned, and cleaned. Now let's move on to the marinade, which is where all the magic happens. In a mixing bowl, we'll combine 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, half a teaspoon of MSG, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of lemongrass paste, 2 tablespoons of minced lemongrass, 1 tablespoon of minced shallot, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Now, mix all these ingredients together until well combined. Place the chicken in a large bowl, and now we'll pour our flavorful marinade over it. Make sure each piece is thoroughly coated. Once that's done, cover the bowl and marinate in the fridge for at least 3 hours, or preferably overnight for the best flavor. Preheat your grill to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Place the marinated chicken on the grill. Grill the chicken, flipping occasionally until it's cooked through and has a nice char on both sides. Ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius for safety. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the grill and let it rest for about 5 minutes before slicing. Now, slice the chicken and transfer it to a serving plate. You can already see how juicy and tender it is. For garnish, I'm using green onion oil and a few pieces of pork greaves. These are optional, but they greatly enhance the flavor of the dish. Today, we're pairing the grilled chicken with steamed rice, along with fresh lettuce, slices of cucumber, and tomatoes for a perfect balance of protein and vegetables. And there you have it, delicious Vietnamese grilled chicken with lemongrass. Perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to subscribe to Viet Flavours for more amazing recipes. Enjoy!